Welcome to this year's Eurobike show at the Litemove booth. I'm Flo and I'm showing you our lighting solution. Let's start with our RX series. Here we have the RX E50 with a visible beam of 120 meter. This one is followed from our RX E90 with a beam of 180 meters or 60 meter more, and over these a high and low beam function. Here we have our SE series, starting with the SE70 with 70 lux, followed by our SE 150 with 150 lux, 240 meter visible light beam. Last but not least, our SE 90A with 90 lux and an automatic daylight sensor. Here we have our AE 260 lux and 680 looms, which is made for electric vehicle with a power output of 11 kilowatt. So it's the perfect choice for your S-Pedelec or e-mobility vehicle. Here we have our top of the range product, the AEW 230 with 230 lux, 950 lume, high and low beam function, and it's the perfect choice for your e-mountain bike. You want to go for a safe ride with a good visibility, the SEW 170 with 550 looms is the perfect choice. The TS taillight series, where you can see we have different mounting positions. You have the mounting position for the rack with 50 or 80 millimeters, the fender position, the seat stay position, and for the seat post mounting. Over these we have our TA light for the rack mounting with a brake light function. With our TA taillight we also won the German Design Award this year. Here we have our TL visibility lights with 40 looms and 40 hours runtime, which you can charge easily with a USB charger on the back side. This lamp has 5 different visibility modes and a memory function as well. Here we have the FE cable solution, what's the newest update for the upcoming season. The FE cable solution offers you a hassle-free plug-and-play solution to mount your Litemove lamp on your bicycle. We offer different cables and different lengths for different motors. Easy power connector, you can easy plug and play your headlamp with your motor. Thank you for watching. Visit us at our booth in Hall 12.1 C18. See you there, bye!